Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crocheted frame for this mirror. Stay until the end to get a surprise plush pattern. The materials that you will need are plush yarn. I have chosen pink yarn, a 4mm hook, a mirror and scissors. Let's get started with the tutorial. First start with the yellow yarn and make a chain of 2, then in the first chain start making 6 half double crochet. Now as seen in the video I don't close it yet, but here I change the color of the yarn, make a slip stitch and then make 2 chains. Into the same place yarn over, insert hook, grab the yarn, make it loose and pull a little bit, repeat this 4 times. Now close it with a single crochet and make 2 chains and slip stitch into the same loop. Here it is the first petal of the flower. Now we need to make 5 more. Here it is the flower that I made. For this mirror I have to make 13 more flowers. First glue the flowers together, then glue those at the mirror.